Accused of raping and fracturing the skull of an 8-year-old girl could soon walk free. The judge says she will soon decide whether to rule Cane Madden incompetent to stand trial. Sinai Gabrigaga has covered Madden's hearing and talked with a lawmaker who's looking to change a loophole.
That is a disaster, a bomb waiting to explode.
Community activists are losing faith.
So every time when I see him, I think of the failure of our justice system.
As a judge decides whether to rule Cane Madden incompetent to stand trial, a man who keeps getting in trouble with the law.
And if they don't give justice where it deserves to be at, he's going to get killed or he's going to kill someone else.
Madden is accused of raping and cracking an 8-year-old girl's skull in August in Louisville. His attorney argued in court today Madden's mental health is not going to get any better.
Essentially, you have a man who does not understand what's happening.
He was ruled incompetent to stand trial in a separate sexual assault case in February 2019. But prosecutors say the 30-year-old needs to be checked again.
Under the statute calls for another evaluation and another hearing.
Under Kentucky state law, a defendant who's unfit to stand trial should not be tried, convicted, or sentenced as long as the incompetency continues.
We've got to close that crack so nobody else falls through it and can hurt people in our community.
Senator Morgan McGarvey is not calling it a loophole. He's been working on new legislation that would fix that crack.
And then we're also working, because it's a budget year, to create a facility that's safe enough for people to be and for them to get treatment.
Under his bill, a defendant like Madden would be appointed a lawyer that would put an emphasis on their well-being.
If someone's there advocating, saying, you know what, even though they might not respond to treatment, it's not the best thing to have them out in the community for themselves, because they're a danger.
He's expecting bipartisan support and says as soon as the governor signs it, there will be an emergency clause.
We expect to have legislation introduced within the next week or so.
Madden's next hearing is on March 6th. Sinai Gabrigaga, WHES 11 News.